Hello everyone! With the previous lecture, we have completed adding features to the cryptocurrency, and thus, the development of our Stage 3 cryptocurrency. In this lecture, we'll execute the Stage 3 smart contract in the Remix compiler to check that everything is working fine or not. In this file, we have three smart contracts. The first one is admins, the second one is Tcoin, and the third one is the Tcoin Advanced. We'll execute Tcoin Advanced because it has extended both Tcoin and admin smart contracts. Copy and paste the whole code in the Remix compiler. Click on Start to compile. It shows few warnings, but no error. We can ignore warnings for now and proceed with the execution. Now, click on Run tab to execute. Select the Tcoin Advanced contract. Next, to deploy this, we have to supply some parameters. First is initial supply. We are making it 10,000. Next is token name, which is string, so provide it in the double quotes. Next is the token symbol, which is TC. Then decimal units, which is 2 in this case. And last is the central admin address. Admin is the account from which we are executing the smart contract, so we'll take the first account as the admin. So, copy this account address and paste it here. Click on Transact. The contract gets successfully deployed. Now, let's check each and every function one by one to ensure its successful execution. First of all, check the value of all parameters. Begin with the name of our coin, which is the Tcoin. It displays correct value. Then the standard, which is Tcoin version 1. Then the symbol, which is TC, and then the initial supply, which is 10,000. Values of all parameters are correct. Next, let's check the functions. To begin with the transfer function, we need an address to which we want to transfer the tokens and the amount of tokens to be transferred. We transfer some amount of tokens to the smart contract, so that if a person will buy the token from smart contract, then smart contract address should have some tokens, which will be transferred from smart contract to the buyer's address. For this, we transfer 5,000 Tcoins from admin accounts to the smart contract to check that the transfer function is working fine or not. On clicking Transact, it shows successful transaction. Now, to make sure that the transfer actually took place, we'll check the balance of the smart contract, and so, yes, it has been updated to 5,000. As the smart contract balance is increased by 5,000, it means that the transfer function is working properly. Now it's time to check buy and sell functionality. For this, first check if the admin account is set. So the admin account is set. Before performing buy or sell of Tcoins, we need to set the sell price and the buy price, which is done by the admin only. For this, call the set prices function and pass the new sell and the new buy price. We passed 1, 2 as parameters, so the sell price of the Tcoins becomes 1 Ether and buy price 2 Ethers. This means that if a person wants to sell Tcoins, then he will get 1 Ether per Tcoin, and if he wants to buy the Tcoins, he has to transfer 2 Ethers per Tcoin to the smart contract address. On clicking Set Prices button, the prices are set successfully. Now we'll execute buy function. We'll buy Tcoins from the second account. To buy Tcoins, we need to pass some Ethers in the value field. Here we pass 10 Ethers, and the sell price is 2 Ethers. It means that 5 Tcoins will be transferred to this account. Now, click on Buy button. It executes successfully. For verification, we can check the balance of this particular account, or we can check the balance of smart contract, which gets reduced by 5 Tcoins as we purchased 5 Tcoins. Copy and paste the address of the account which purchased 5 Tcoins and check the balance of the account. It shows 5 Tcoins. That means the buy function is working properly. Now, we'll check the sell function where we'll sell 3 Tcoins from this account as it has 5 Tcoins. Currently, this account has 89 Ethers because we have bought 5 Tcoins from this account. Once we sell the 3 Tcoins from this account, its balance will become 92 Ethers. We click on Sell, and this account's balance has increased to 92 Ethers. It means that sell function is executed successfully. 3 ethers are transferred to this account from smart contract. So this is how we can check the buy and sell functionality. Next, we'll check the freeze account function. If an account freezes, it cannot execute the transfer function, as freeze account functionality will only get executed from the admin account. So we have to select the admin's account, which is the first account. We'll freeze the second account. To do this, in the target we'll pass second account's address as a parameter and freeze equal to true. Click on Transact. This account freezes. We can check the status of this account, whether freezed or unfreezed. For this, we can use frozen account mapping, which returns true if an account is frozen. For verification, we'll execute the transfer function from this account. If this function executes, then the account is not frozen, else it is frozen. So we'll transfer some T-coins from this account to admin's account. Since the balance of this account is only 2 T-coins, we can transfer only 2 T-coins. On clicking Transact, it shows some exception that this action can't be performed because this account is frozen. If we check this account's balance, then it remains same, which is 2 T-coins, which means that the transfer has not taken place because this account is frozen. Now, we'll unfreeze this account. For this, pass this account's address and the value of freeze equal to false. Then click on Transact. It shows an exception because we are executing it from the account which don't have admin privileges. If we execute this function from admin's account, then it is successfully executed. It means that this account is unfreezed now. If we check the status of this account through frozen account mapping, it shows false, which means that this account is now unfrozen, and we can execute transfer function from this account. If we execute the transfer function from this account, then it will be successfully executed. As the balance of this account is only 2 T-coins, so we'll transfer only 1 T-coin from this account. If we click on Transact, then the transfer is successfully made. On checking the balance of this account, it is updated to 1 T-coin. So that's how you can freeze or unfreeze any account. After this, we'll check Transfer Adminship function. Since we'll make the second account as admin, so we need to just copy the address of this account and execute this function from admin's account, which is the first account. On passing the address of second account here and clicking on Transact, it shows successful execution. To check the admin, click on this. It shows the second account address. It means that this account is now the admin. After this, we'll check Mint Token function. We'll mint some new tokens and transfer them to this third account. So, pass the address of the third account in the target, and the quantity is 1,000, and we have to execute this function from the admin's account. Click on Transact. It executes successfully. So now we'll check the balance of this account by the balance of method, which is updated to 1,000 T-coins. The total supply is also increased by 1,000 T-coins. So this is how minting coin functions works. After this, we'll check Transfer on the Behalf functionality, which includes 2 functions. The first one is Approve and another one is Transfer From function. Beginning with the Approve function, we'll execute the Approve function from the first account, and we'll give 2,000 T-coins approval to the second account. For this, enter the spender's address, which is the second account, and the value of tokens, which is 2,000. Click on Transact. It is successfully executed. Now to check the allowance, we'll provide 2 addresses. We can check that in the smart contract code, the first address is the address of the account which has given the allowance. In our case, it is the address of the first account. So we'll pass the address of the first account here, and in the second parameter, the address of the second account. Make sure to provide the addresses in double quotes. Now click on Call. It is successfully executed and shows the allowance of 2,000. Now we'll check the Transfer From function. will transfer to the fourth account on behalf of first account from the second account. For this, the to address is the fourth account's address in the form. We'll pass the address of the first account. The execution will take place from the second account and will transfer 1,000 T-coins. Provide all these parameters in quotes. Click on Transact. The function is successfully executed. If we click on Allowance, then it is updated from 2,000 to 1,000. For the verification, we can check the account balance of fourth account, to which we transferred 1,000 T-coins. For this, click on Balance of Method and the account balance is updated to 1,000. So this is how you can check the transfer on the behalf function. In this lecture, we have covered and executed all the functionalities of Stage 3 cryptocurrency. So, that's it. Hope you are clear with the concepts taught. Thank you.